What is Yiddish?
Well, it's funny. It's fun to speak. It's the old country. It's the new country, but it's also transition. It's also sort of this eternal struggle of, and I remember actually thinking about this a lot, in part because of what Aaron Lansky said when we were here, this idea of constantly having one foot in the world of tradition and one foot in the world of modernity, and that's sort of what Yiddish is, this way to sort of reconcile two different loyalties, two different identities, and not just two, I mean there are many, but this idea of just constantly straddling. Yiddish is one eye laughing, one eye weeping. Actually, it's a really great way to, a really great microcosm to explore issues of immigration today through just the language and the culture around the language, and the impact that language has had on our language.